Hey everybody, welcome to the 8th video in the Technical Testers series. This video we're going to be searching for items. So we'll go over all the different ways inside the application that you can find items that you've previously stored. So when you're ready, head over to your application. As you can see, this is the previous item that we've been working with here. It is the shoebox of office supplies. And I guess probably the first way that I'd like to point out how you can search for your items is the tags section, which might not be as intuitive, but just since we're here, the tags, each one of these you can actually click on, and it will load up the search page. Ah, great. Okay, cool. So the search page. We might come back to that, but since we're on the search page now, this is the main page where you can actually see items that you've searched for. Obviously, the search term box, the term box, is where you actually will put in the information that you like to search for. So if we can maybe do pencil. Okay, that's cool. And we have these three sections underneath, and those are help you refine your search a little bit. They are kind of typical, but they'll use the actual field to search for this term. This term gets lowercased, so it doesn't really matter if you type it like something like that. It'll still be pencil. And yeah, so for this one, I know that there's an item called pencil, so we'll search for that, and we'll see that pencils comes up pretty quickly, which that's sweet. So probably step back a little bit. The way to get to this search page is you have to be in the inventory section, as you can see with the blue house kind of highlighted. Also, in the menu, you'll have to click the search page. So yeah, once you're there, you'll see your previous search results, or you can click the search button to search new results. These three tag buttons, or the three different search refiners, are description, tags, and name. And yeah, so we've actually had some issues whether or not questions whether or not the items are searched for this current account, because let's say you have multiple accounts on your actual system, then you could press the search button and potentially get items from both those accounts that you're in. So I've in the next release we'll be coming out with a button that allows you to specify whether you want it to just search this account or all accounts across the system, which I think is going to be good because it'll help you kind of understand where things are lying, and like if you really just want to find something, searching across all accounts is sometimes a good idea. And also, if you find search results inside of a separate account that you're currently not on, then it'll actually pop up a message and it'll tell you that you're switching to that current account. One of the last ways to search for items is this quick search up here. So you could potentially be on the scanner page. And I apologize, the scanner is just facing down now. But you can search for, again, for pens. Hit search, and then it'll actually bring you to the same search page. And notice also how the search term box got filled out with the same as what you typed into the quick search area. And then these three checkboxes are actually just going to be the same as what you've previously set them as. So yeah, all right, well, I'd like to show you also how useful the tags can be. I don't know if you guys have watched the previous video. If not, definitely go check that out. But we had set on all of our items this paperclip tag here, and I'll go to the pens so we can check it out. So this paperclip tag, okay, cool. And at the beginning of the video, I mentioned how you can just click tags, or click a tag to go and search for it. So I'm actually going to go back here, show you that name, tags, and description are checked, and pens is filled in the search term area. All right, well then we'll go forwards, and we'll do a tag search by clicking on this specific tag. And what that is going to do, it's going to populate the term field with the tag name, and then it's only going to check the tags box. And you can see now that the results have loaded that you actually get everything that has been designated with that paperclip emoji, or I guess what we're calling now our office supplies. So to me, I think this is a really great way of being able to show how to organize. And these types of tags are great for things like tools, again, office supplies, holiday decorations, and even more specifically, you can use a Christmas tree emoji for Christmas decorations, or I like to use the pumpkin for like Halloween decorations. You could do shamrocks for St. Patrick's Day, and what have you. But I believe that the tags are a great way of doing this, and especially in this next release, we've spent a lot of time on upgrading them so that they can get even more refined in the future. So that's it, everybody. That's how you search for items in Stor.Guru, and I hope that you found it useful. All right, join me in the next one. Thanks.